In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a favicon in Hostinger step by step. If you've ever wondered how to get that small icon to appear in your browser tab next to your website name, this tutorial is for you. Adding a favicon makes your site look more professional, improves brand recognition, and helps visitors easily identify your website when they have multiple tabs open. The good news is that if you're using Hostinger Website Builder, the process is very simple and only takes a few minutes. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this video helps you out, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple website tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account. Head over to hostinger.com and access your dashboard by entering your login details. Once you're inside your Hostinger dashboard, you'll see a list of your websites and hosting plans. From here, locate the website where you want to add the favicon. Next, go to Website Builder and click on Edit Website. This will open the Hostinger Website Builder interface where you can customize your site. Give it a few seconds to fully load. Once you're inside the editor, look to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see various settings and customization options. Click on Settings in the left sidebar. This is where you control your website's general configuration. After clicking Settings, open General Settings. Inside this section, you'll find different options related to your website's basic information and appearance. Scroll through the options until you see the favicon section. Now click on Upload Image under the favicon option. This is where you'll select the image you want to use as your favicon. It's important to use the correct image size for the best results. The recommended favicon sizes are 32 by 32 pixels, 48 by 48 pixels, or 64 by 64 pixels. Make sure your image is square so it displays properly in browser tabs. If your logo isn't already sized correctly, you can quickly resize it using free tools like Canva or any image editor before uploading. Select your favicon file from your computer and upload it. Once uploaded, you should see a preview confirming that your favicon has been added. Finally, don't forget this last and very important step. Click Publish. If you don't publish your website, the favicon won't go live. After publishing, open your website in a new browser tab and check the top of the page. You should now see your favicon displayed next to your site title. And that's it. That's how you add a favicon in Hostinger using the Website Builder. As you can see, the process is quick and beginner-friendly. A favicon might seem like a small detail, but it makes a big difference in how professional your website looks. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Hostinger and website building guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.